Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a special niche that no one is talking about on YouTube, and the niche is making $10,000 to $15,000 per month on just like autopilot. And don't have to show any face or record any video, or just don't use your own voiceover, or don't have to pay anyone for voiceover. It will be all automatic process, and these channels are making $10,000 to $15,000 per month with this. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe the channel and ring the bell icon to get the notifications on time. So here this channel is.
Ironhead is a man in his 60s, known for having an extremely strong.
So this is an example, is a movie. They just download the movie and use small clips to make an 11 or 12 minute video out of a 2.5 or 3 hour movie. Then they just add their voice, or you can use a simple text to speech software like Merv.ai or Wellsted Labs, because they have just like human sounding voiceover that YouTube will definitely monetize your videos. And this channel was, if you see when this channel was started, you will be surprised because the channel is just 1 year old and it has already approximately 3 million subscribers. And if we go ahead and check this on the Social Blade, how much this channel is earning, you will be surprised to see, because this channels upload one video every couple of days, or you can just upload one video per day. And here it is. So it's showing $16,000 to $26,000 per month, and it is that much because the average CPM here is 0.25 cents to $4. And if just we take the CPM like 25 cents, it's still making $16,000 because it's getting 65 million views in the last 30 days and earning 16,000 to 200 grand per month and $3 to $4 million per year. And you can see this channel was started July 1st, so you can see how much this channel is earning. Another example is like this movie recap channel, which was also started this year. You can see 1 year ago, and it's on its way to cross 2 million subscribers. And this, so here you can see it's earning 8.4 thousand to 133k a month and around 33 million views per month. So you can see how these channels are made. So you can just go ahead and go searching like the most popular videos in like past couple of months, like 4 months is too much, like 2 months or a couple of weeks is fine. Just take the video and go ahead and download the video from the internet, and you can just, for the transcript or the script, you can just go. The IMDb has a plot and a detailed breakdown of the movie. You can just copy and paste this in any software like Merv.ai. This software Merv.ai, it's AI enabled real person's voice, and you can trust with that, because I've used it for many of my videos and it sounds just like a human, and it's great. So you can just create your videos. You can just upload one video per day for 30 days, and I'm sure your channel will be monetized because they're so high that YouTube recommended to many other people. So you get a lot of views in the small amount of time, and you can just go ahead and create as many as videos on the latest movies or the top charts of movies you can create, and this will be make your $10,000 to $15,000 easily per month. So if you have liked the video, please make sure to subscribe channel and give it a thumbs up.